Hello dear friends, this is Laboratory's YouTube channel, and in this video we will look at sample cue card. Describe a piece of local news that people are interested in. So sample cue card is describe a piece of local news that people are interested in. You have to cover the following cues: what it was about, where you saw or heard it, who was involved, and explain why people were interested in it. So the sample answer is: people read newspapers or watch news to get themselves updated about the latest happenings around the globe. Here I would like to talk about one very important local news about my locality, which is about the construction of a new park. I live in one of the oldest areas in my city, Ludhiana, so it's very congested. As a result, there is no park at all in my area. Recently, I read in a local newspaper that the local authorities are going to make a new park in my locality. I have to say everyone is happy due to this positive initiative. This park will be constructed by utilizing a vacant plot, which is quite big. This project will be completed within 3 months as per the news. This park will contain plenty of amenities like jogging tracks, sitting benches, lights, seesaw, and a fountain. At the moment, local residents have no place where they can spend their leisure time by doing some kind of physical activities. Moreover, kids have to play on the streets, which can be very dangerous for them. But after the opening of this park, people will go there to do exercise and kids can play in a safe environment under the supervision of their parents. Local people have agreed to contribute to this park by raising funds so more facilities can be installed. I hope this park will motivate local residents to come out of their comfort zones and take part in physical activities. So, this is the news in which people are interested. This was the sample cue card. Now, we will look at follow-ups for this cue card. Do people read the newspaper where you live? Yes, people in my city like to read newspapers every day. They do so to keep themselves up to date with ongoing events and happenings the world over, so they can keep themselves and their families safe. Moreover, many individuals prefer to read journals mainly to spend their free time by acquiring knowledge about new innovations and technological advancements. Do people prefer local or international news? Well, it depends. Most people prefer to give priority to local bulletins, as these affect their daily lives more than international news stories. During this COVID situation, everyone was paying more attention to their local news, so they could plan their daily activities accordingly. However, individuals, especially working in finance and MNCs, take care of international news because of the nature of their work. Next question is, do you think it's important to have a national identity? Definitely. It's very crucial to have a national identity because people can show others their culture and customs in that way. National identity can motivate young individuals to follow their tradition and feel proud of their rich history. How can people develop their national identity? I believe people can develop their national identity by wearing their traditional dresses. Then they can take part in local festivals and other cultural activities, which can teach them some valuable things. Finally, they can host national flags on their establishments, which brings patriotic feeling among them. So these were the sample follow-ups for this cue card. If you like our work, please like this video. We live on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Do follow us there, and don't forget to press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thank you.